Can an iPhone be used to automatically sort out products on the production line? A process that is usually done by humans and takes a lot of effort and time. It's 6:40 in the morning and I'm on my way to the production site. And together with my colleague Viet, I'm visiting the small town Zana, a manufacturer of ceramic tiles. So how does a defect that the iPhone catches become a physical reject on the production line? Well, that's a very interesting part of our solution, and it's a little piece of magic that lives inside this box, our so-called InnoVision bridge. It's a small I/O box that we developed, and since your iPhone sends out purely digital signals, we wire these signals via a USB-C cable to the InnoVision bridge, and the InnoVision bridge converts the signal into a 24-volt signal, so sending out on 9 pins 24 volts, a DB9 connector that you can then use downstream on your processes. So depending on your physicality the physicality of your products, you can blow out, you can have a gate that separates defective products. But essentially the magic happens really inside the box. So I'm really excited to see it in action. So Viet, can you explain me the process? How did you install the bridge?
So we have like the InnoVision bridge here. It has like an USB port and a DB9 connector. And we connect the bridge with the phone. And as soon as the phone recognizes a bad product, that signal is being sent to the bridge, and then the bridge is just putting on this 24 volts for the consumer.
And the consumer in our case is a little pusher pushing the product from the line. It's important to mention that setting up the InnoVision bridge requires knowledge about electricity, so an electrician at site. So if you have a connector, a PLC that speaks digital signal, you can also achieve the same thing via a digital connection. So for example, OPC UA, sending a signal digitally from the iPhone to your line, essentially achieving the same goal. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of that, please follow our YouTube channel where we are demonstrating using the iPhone as industrial vision sensor for industrial automation. And today, you know, we are such nerds and we love manufacturing. So yeah, we will leave you with a very romantic footage that we did during our on-site. So see you next time.